discarding both Celebes. So I get this energy retrieval. We're going to play this energy retrieval. We're going to go ahead and play the second one. I have 3 of those in there. So I do have and I'm just going to let him take the Celebi. Because next turn all I have to do is just Shadow Triad to get the GG booster. I was already at 1. Yeah. Let's be doing maintenance? I mean, if they're doing maintenance and everything, then I may just be done for now. Alright, let's see what these trades are really quick. While I, yeah, it looks like maintenance is down. Tournaments are down. Let me check on the forum really quick. I was still at 1 prize though. Yeah, I could do that. I still think this is way too much. Like this right here is like 5 to 6 packs, and so is the Virizion. I mean, I understand that, you know, you need packs and everything, but you can't do that.